Let's host it now by buying a domain first and then creating a hosting on AWS, and then configure the domain to use AWS hosting. So we start by looking for a nice domain on GoDaddy. Let's name it something. Buying a domain is fun, and check the availability. Let's go for the cheaper one since it's a training video. So it says 10 crowns. So we go to the cart and we just use the basic settings everywhere, and go to checkout and login, of course. Do remember that auto renew is on by default. So if you are buying experimental domains, you have to set it off. So it's only 3 kroner or 13 crowns. This is something I don't think I would need, but maybe I'll skip it now because I already see on top right that the order is placed, so my domain is registered. So here I see my domain, buying domain is fun, and now we need to create a hosting zone on Amazon Web Services. Before that, we can actually check the domain name servers and name servers, which will change once we create a hosting on AWS. We need to log in back to console, and the service we use here is route 53, which is their DNS management service. So we need to create a hosted zone here, and we need to add the domain name followed by a comment and create. Next we need to add 2 record sets. First one is alias or a CNAME. This one is a CNAME, and next one would be an IP address, or we'll use an alias for the instance on Elastic Beanstalk that we created. So here we select the target for that web page from the earlier video. So this is done. Now we have the name servers, which we need to change on the GoDaddy name server settings. Just a note that when we update these values, it might take up to 48 hours for them to reflect Um, so the website won't be up immediately, but maybe it will take around 48 hours. This is done, and they are updated now, the name servers. Let's check if it's up, which of course wouldn't be. So that's it for the video. Thanks.